Welcome to KidloLand, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Tap the number of edges in this shape. Oops! Uh-oh! Six. Tap the number of edges in this shape. Try again. Have another go. 4. Tap the number of edges in this shape. Oops! Look carefully. 4. Very good. Tap the number of edges in this shape. Look carefully. Try again. 4. Tap the number of edges in this shape. You can do it. Uh-oh. 3. Tap the number of edges in this shape. 6. Very good. Tap the number of edges in this shape. Look carefully. 4. Tap the number of edges in this shape. Look carefully. 3. Tap the number of edges in this shape. 6. Perfect!